sorry. I mean, I'm not sorry I'm gassing so much because I can't control my genuine reactions to things. But I'm sorry if it's loud? Maybe? Yeah, I don't know. It's probably not that loud. I'm gonna stop going up. I'm gonna stop going up the poles because there's not a fast way to go up the poles, actually. No. Oh, a little bit. It makes me feel better. Actually, I don't think that's any faster. Oh, that little bit was faster because I just yoked up. Something just hissed. What's hissing? What sounds are being made? There he is! Do you see him? Right below the platform I'm standing on. Oh, you sneaky boy. What was that? Oh, was that the guide glitching out? Okay. I was like, what? The dude just appeared. A dude just appeared. Can you please jump? There is something hissing. Do you hear that? Is that my TV? No, that's not my TV show. That's the game. It's the game that's hissing. I'm gonna be the most kind. Stress of my fear of heights. Oh god. How do I get those berries? I think you understand how badly what the is that? What is that? I have to be dumb. I'm sorry. I'm gonna be so mad. Can I eat this? What are you? What? Oh, this way. What are you? Is this just stuck to me? No, I have this. I can't throw it. I just have it. I would like... Okay. What are you? Can I not eat you? Why can't I throw you? Well, I feel like I've made a horrible mistake. It's just attached to me. America, explain? What? 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 How does this help me? What does this do for me? I just have a little dude. I mean, I'm still going up. It changes nothing. I'm not gonna lie, guys. Climbing this high makes me want to throw up so horribly. I am not a heights person. I don't do heights. Did I just spit out? Okay, I didn't. Roxanne. Somebody said Roxanne again. I'll eat you. What on earth does this do for me? Oh, I guess I get to go over here. Am I going like up and down? Insane. Guys, I have to get back to a bed. Oh. That's actually kind of nice. It makes me feel a lot better about falling, but oh, I want to do something so stupid right now. I'm gonna do it. 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 It just didn't spit. Oh, it did. It caught me. I just died there. Okay. Well, I'm never getting that karma back. Hello. You weren't in there with me, but hello. Guys, is going up pointless? Should I not be going up? I don't think I can be stopped though. I think I have to go up. I think the purpose of this game currently is up there. Oh, is that my little plant? Okay. Yes, I think the current purpose is up. I need water. Huh. Well, don't do that. You are, oh no, that's not what I wanted to do. That's fine, he just climbs that way. That's cool. I feel like I should try going a different way. But I refuse. In your head, zombie, zombie, zombie. Sorry, I'm watching. I'm watching a zombie and they just played them. We're having a real one. I think the blue ones are a little glitchy. They seem to be the ones that I see having a normal one the most. Can I please jump? See, then there's like little sticks down there in the wild that I'm like, why are you, like, what purpose are you serving? Like, clearly you want me to do something. I think this is a sign. I think the video game's telling me to go in a different direction, and I'm refusing. Refusing. I can say, go somewhere else. Stop falling to your death. What? Noodle worm. What? Wait, hold on. Is the pole plant still there? Can I go hit it with some? No, I'm not gonna walk all the way back. I'm not gonna tempt fate like that. Can I grab you? Just leave me alone, noodle worms. You have stolen things from me before, and I don't like you. I mean, I do like you, because you're cute. Well, I have nothing to lose. I know I can get over there. I know I can. That was my one attempt though for this run. If I die several more times, then you know, then we'll try again. But for now, my goal is up. My quest is up. What's up? I don't think you all understand how badly I want to try jumping again. Oh, wait, can I... Okay, that is a wall there. So I was like, oh, can I... Is that not a wall here? Can I jump to the other side? I don't think I can make it, but can I attempt? See, oh, invisible boy. Naughty. Up, up, up. We go up. No, no. Let me up. Harbor. Harbor Bowl. I should go get one of those things, but I'm not going to. Oh, come here. Come to mother. No! No! Well, I'm getting really good at climbing up. I'm getting really good at pathing. I wish there was a faster way. It's because I couldn't stay humble and wait for more food. I had to get the little guy. Well, so since we're once again here, I went to Best Buy this weekend because I bought a camera for a project I'm working on, and I needed a camera case. That's why I was at Best Buy, because I bought a camera but not a camera case. So I went to Best Buy to get a camera case. Are we there? Are we following? Excellent. What is that thing blinking right there? You know what? It's no. It's time. We're gonna go in the other direction. Oh, it was an invisible boy. Thank God. Thank God I didn't jump. Oh, but where did he go invisible again? No, no, no. See, I knew he was just gonna show back up like a little freak. Into oblivion. I should have tried climbing. But so I went to Best Buy, because I needed a camera case, and I am capable of a precision strike shopping trip. I had myself a little wander with my father, because I was like, Father, let's go look at things in Best Buy. As one does. And so I went to the game section, one, because I was just curious what they had there. I was just curious, because I don't necessarily keep up with game releases unless it's like something I'm like super duper invested in, which is very rare that I'm super duper invested in a game. But I got Princess Peach Showtime, which I'm, so, how do I get that? How do I get that flower? I think, can I just do that? I got Princess Peach Showtime, which I'm super duper excited about, because I was an OG Super Princess Peach stan. Love that game. That was technically my first Mario game. My first Mario game, because like I had Mario Party, but like first like Mario game where like you go through worlds TM with quests, although I get I see you. I see you. But so I was super hyped for another Princess Peach game. Oh, Princess Peach just needs more games. That's what she deserves. But then I also got, they had stuffed animals there. And can I please? And I am a big connoisseur of stuffed animals. Which you might not have known. Because I don't... Haha, get got. Okay. I go up here. Oh, that camera change really messed me up. But so they had some stuffed guys, some stuffed Mario guys. And I'm so excited about it. I'll have to see if there's a picture. I mean, I do have a picture. I'm gonna have to figure out. I mean, I can. Essentially, the desire is gonna come down to if I want to upload a picture. But I got a stuffed Bomb-Omb, and I'm so excited. What? That's not fair. This is just a dead end. I can't. Oh, okay. Not a dead end. Well, I don't love that. Did my door just slam shut? Did the ghosts just close my door? Aha! I need a minute. Who is firing fireworks at 9 at night on a work night? Actually, it's past 9. It's 10 o'clock. Who is shooting off fireworks at 10 p.m. on a work night? It's not even 4th of July. Like, I get it, you know, it's Pride Month, woo, but it's like, it's not even our, like, Pride weekend where I live. We just, like, shooting them off for funsies? Can we do it at a more convenient time? What? That hissing is back. Do we hear it? Is it just that freak little creature waiting? Oh. Okay. How much time? Okay. That detour took up some time, so I really have to huck it. Well. Let me rest. My goal now, which happens, okay, the irony of all this is I was literally, like, just thinking, like, just talking with a friend about how I was like, oh, I make YouTube videos because they're fun for me, and, like, I really struggled with a long time with embarrassment over making it, because, like, God, how embarrassing to be like, yeah, I make YouTube videos. Granted, this isn't my career, like, I have a job, I do theater, I do other things, but it's still, like, one of those, like, self-cringe moments. And I was like, no, I finally, like, worked through that. And then I was, like, thinking to myself, well, like, I still get, like, really embarrassed, like, when I'm doing really bad in a game. And I was specifically when I, like, Rain World, when I just keep, like, you know, doing the same 5 things over and over because I can't get past it. Like, right now! And I was like, oh, but that hasn't happened in a while. Thank God it hasn't happened in a while. It's literally happening. Self-fulfilling prophecies. Why, cruel mistress? Why? Is it... It's fine. There's danger down there. Good for down there. I'm not going down there. I'm going to this hellscape. So I can eat this plant. So I can finally rest. It's because I was trying to speed run this little section, which was stupid of me to try and do. Up. And no. Up. I'm not gonna chase the bat, even though I really want to. I'm doing it. Okay. I have eaten one. I can find a bed, and I can sleep as soon as possible. Please let me in. Let me be free. I got so lucky. Okay. Anyway. Up we go. Oh, cool. Free boy. No. Okay. I want to stop going up. Is it like I'm literally gonna go up one side and then down the other? It's boo. Boo hiss. I think that is what I was doing. Oh, but no, there was... Wait, no. If I go over there... Okay, so I cut like half of my work in half. I cut my work in half, not half of my work in half. Slug it up. Because I had to say, isn't this where I... Yeah. And is that where I died once? Yeah, because I just said, what if I just go down? Climb up. I will not make the same mistake. I will not continue to go up. I will... Y'all, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna absolutely fall. I'm not gonna find another bed. I need a stick. It was all for naught. I need a stick. I need a stick. Is that a jump I can make? I don't think I can make that jump. Where does this go? Oh, it goes up there. Okay. I don't. How could this happen to me? I made my mistakes. Why? I need a stick. I need a stick. No, neither. Where is a stick? I haven't passed any sticks, have I? So is there a stick if I continue up? If I continue up, will there be a stick? No, there's no sticks here. There's no sticks. There's just death. It's just sadness. I need a stick. I need a stick. Oh wait, is that little... Oh, hold on, I have to go sleep. see me almost eat garbage. I'm so mad. I need a stick. That's not fair. Nowhere along this journey did it say I needed a stick. That's not fair. I'm going. And I have to be careful of stealth boy. Oh god, you all see me almost Kermit. No, don't touch me. I don't have a stick. I have to go find a stick. Did I? Oh, no, I just hit my head really badly. Oh. Ugh, and you know the worst part is I don't know where a stick is. Sorry, I was checking how long I've been recording. The worst part is I'm gonna stop recording for now. And I'm gonna forget to get a stick next time. And I'm gonna do all of it again. And I'm gonna forget about my stick. That's not fair. Oh, I'm throwing the biggest tantrum. I'm allowed to throw a tantrum.